On the last episode, we went to Florida to go look at the boat. And guess what? We bought a boat.
Do we have an apple cider bottle?
I'm getting a boat!
And this is it, our beautiful Morgan 462.
This episode's about 24 hours of lemons, which is totally different than what we normally do. But we wanted to take a second to talk about all the different hobbies Dad has had. So first, it was scuba diving, model airplanes, and photography.
The other three would be astronomy, sailing, and
Cars! The cars in 24 hours of lemons have to be under $500, which means they're 30 years old and they have like about 3 tires. So Dad's Lemons team consists of 7 middle-aged guys who are in a midlife crisis. So this is just another hobby before we go on our sailing adventure.
And this was our caravan from Colorado going to Arizona.
Okay, so we just woke up. It's like 6:25-ish now. It's gonna be a pretty sunrise. So we're still cruising along. Dad, how's it going?
Great.
We had a little incident at the last gas stop. The awning is sticking out, if you can see a little bit.
As you could see, I was easily entertained.
Please tell me more. What's to the left?
If you look to your left, you will see nothing.
Oh, it looks like our smart engineers and one weatherman have a plan. Did you figure it out? Chance of precipitation today. 100%.
What do we have now?
So we kind of bent the awning a little bit on the trip here, and so I bet Papa that it would still open.
So what'd you
And if it
bet?
does, he owes me a bottle of scotch, and if
Got
it
it.
doesn't, I owe him a bottle of scotch.
Okay guys, this is the big moment. Obviously, Dad owed KJ a bottle of scotch. Our other car, the blue BMW Das Bier, finally arrived. In typical Lemons fashion, the boys went quick to work to get things ready for the tech inspection. And of course, things didn't go as planned. Apparently, a freeze plug came out of the engine. In order to fix it right, the whole engine had to be taken out. They didn't fix it right. Instead, they did it the Lemons way. Mr. Poacher, I like your safety goggles when you're cutting that metal.
I was told to come closer, so I'm here now.
Fire-resistant gas. Freeze plug installation.
Here's wishing on a prayer. All this hard work was keeping the boys from tapping their keg. And then both of the cars went off to tech inspection.
Class C2, right?
And Judge Phil gave us what he always gave us.
Let me guess. Class A. 0 penalty.
And the boys were legal. Mom's favorite part of the weekend? The beer. We did a walkabout to visit our neighbors. Glad we weren't these guys.
you for being here. Now, usually, when I give the driver's meeting, I will just say, go out there, don't be idiots, and try not to kill yourselves, and then I'll let you all go. Now, as I said, I usually give a quick, brief driver's meeting that has no factual content whatsoever.
Now, you don't have a place to store your containers down here.
Yo, good morning. Don't be a
Mr. Matt, first in the huff. Yay for driving in circles and getting nowhere.
That's what I was like,
So, the track is still hot, but the Hoff is no longer on it. Apparently, we have shredded a bump.
Everybody clear?
Matt, what happened?
I was driving and it broke again.
Damn it.
When we weren't watching the race, I was spending time with Mom and Haley, taking pictures, and we even got on our bikes and started to explore. When I become famous, this is going to be my headshot. The place even has planes. Who knew? In my spare time, I found out that these boys can't do math.
I mean, like, how many times? Like,
So this is our 6th race? This will be the 5th. This will be the 6th time.
3,
3, so this is your
4,
fourth time?
3 or 4.
Something between that.
This is our 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our 6th race.
I think this is my 6th one.
Are you sure? Okay.
Finger math.
Here comes all the cars that were actually left on the track till the end. Hey, that's Italian guy. I like that guy. In 20 seconds or less, here's all the Lemons cars. Not bragging or anything, but I take amazing pictures. Oh boys, spelt toe wrong.
So for this particular interview, we saw a famous guy who does interviews with a fern in between. So we figured we'd do that, except
Not with the fern.
with a plastic plant, because we don't have a fern. So okay, so for this particular,
Stop saying particular.
I don't know what else to say. Why don't you start? You can do it.
Okay. Can you turn off the camera?
Yes, and it's right.
This episode's about 20. I did this.
Dad's got a lot of hobbies.